Mindfulness. It is the basic posture to be fully present, aware of where we are, what we are doing, and not be overwhelmed by our surroundings. Noticing these are us being conscious. And the step towards change is awareness. As simple as opening the door, it opens up to a whole new perspective of Zen, integrated into today's modern minimalist living space. Clean lines work wonders as its latticework runs along the wall. The scheme is given a down-to-earth and neutral palette to calm your senses as one walks into the space. The living room certainly gives an upright sense of depth and height, where sliding doors, tall windows, and skylight grant natural lighting into the double volume space. Each step is substantial in articulating its raw natural beauty of wood tones and texture. Surreal and subtle with a serene disposition, the tea room invites for an unwinding afternoon tea any time of the day.
A person's environment can affect the mood. The idea is to adapt a modern tech into the created Zen surrounding, longing of peace as well as balance into our day-to-day living spaces without sacrificing modern luxuries, aesthetics, and comfort. Developing clean, gentle lines simply come natural for us. It moves on with implementing the Japanese element ENSO, meaning circle symbolizing absolute enlightenment, strength, and elegance, just piece the whole pictures together. The fluidity of the circular lines and motions form a graceful, seamless combinations, breaking off the rigidness of what was once traditional and embracing the form of minimalist expression of art. For this guest room, we tried to make something extraordinary, in a way that it's a very unconventional design, where we have this round mirror that we can sort of be like a highlights of the bedrooms. Because this room itself is very small, so with this big round mirror, it will enhance the space of the area. We are incorporating a wardrobe that is very unconventional. It's just a very open wardrobe with a simple hanging. So everything is very minimalist, uncluttered, and simple for these rooms. Each space has its attentiveness to detail. The walk-in wardrobe in the master room fits in nicely towards the bathroom. Neat and comfortable for open-close drawers and storage for keeping clothes and accessories. Tucked in a discreet corner upstairs, the study space is placed in a quiet zone away from the social spaces. The kids have the joy of sharing the elements of fun and play in their room. Instead of common-looking bunk beds, the beds are versatile, customized as their playground, allowing their imaginations to run wild.
The philosophy behind the Zen concept is to bring a way of life, being mindful of our body, mind, and soul to draw in an environment of peace. It is incomparable to that of a traditional Japanese home. It is definitely a designer's masterstroke that is ever created.